what I've seen over the last 10 years is that if you rely on a specific vendor, and it doesn't really matter if that's a big vendor, if that's a startup, or whoever that is, if you rely on that, there is a chance that they might sunset the product for whatever reason, right? We've seen that with large organizations. They might sunset it, they might sell it, they might go in a different direction, and then you run into a problem, right? So you're really betting on that vendor, and that has been a problem in the industry. So I think that's why open source is so popular, right? Because it's like nobody can sunset, Apache Tomcat. It's not going to happen, and so that makes it very interesting, but also very complicated to use, right? Because you don't have a vendor, right? Think of the Red Hat model, what made them successful using Linux, right? And then putting this layer, what was needed from an enterprise with support and everything on top of it. And so that's type of the approach we want to take. We want to basically blend and assemble everything using these mature open source frameworks, to then not make you so much dependent on us and give you a little bit more agility. If you want to add a feature, if you want to change something in the core, if something's wrong, something's missing, you're not dependent on us. You could literally do it by yourself if you have the expertise, or you could find somebody else and pay somebody else to incorporate that change. That's possible. Now try to do that within an IBM system. Like it's, you can submit a ticket and say, hey, I really need that, or I have a problem if I can't do that. But chances are they're not going to do it, right? So I think it increases the agility. And I think that's very, very important if you want to build a platform that you're going to bet on it for the next 10 years and where you have like a high investment.